Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my tuna potato pasta salad. And this pasta salad isn't hard. Just with a little prep work and some easy steps, you can have the salad ready in 30 minutes. So be sure to check the description box below. You're going to get all the ingredients and measurements used here. And also remember that you can always just add your own seasonings if you want into yours. And yes, just to get your own preference of taste. All right, so let's get started. In a large pot, I boil some water, add some salt, and then I'm going to add my chopped potato. Let it boil until it's fork tender. Drain and set aside. In another pot, I add some more water. Once the water starts to boil, I'm going to add some more salt into here. Add the pasta, and at this time you can add oil if you want. I do not put oil. Some people do, that's fine. I would stir my pasta just to make sure that they do not stick together. Let the pasta cook, then drain. And after you drain it, you want to make sure that you place it into a mixing bowl, and while it is hot, you want to add some freshly grated garlic. You can leave this garlic out if you don't like garlic, okay? Make sure you mix it in well, guys. And I'm going to add my ingredients. It doesn't mean that you have to add your ingredients in the same pattern that I add mine. All right? So now I did add some Italian seasonings into here, and I'm going to add all these dry seasonings into here and make sure that I mix it up well, making sure that every piece of the pasta is well coated with the seasonings. And you can make this salad, in advance, It will still be fresh. Just remember to keep it chill until you're ready to serve it. So mix it well. At this time, I'm going to add my tuna, and I did choose a good quality tuna that was packed in water so it doesn't make the rest of the salad oily. And be sure to drain it well when you're using it, and use as much tuna as you want into yours. Now you want to add your cooked potatoes, and as you can see that as I'm stirring it, it's not mushy, it's just firm and nice. Mix it up well. Now add your red onions. You can also use white onions. Add your red bell peppers, green bell peppers, some shredded carrots. Add any vegetables of your choice into your salad, guys. Just make sure that you toss it up well. Here I'm adding some parsley. You can also add celery. And as you can see, as I'm stirring, guys, it is so beautiful. Look at the colors. And for me, colors and taste is what matters in any dish. At this time, I'm going to go right ahead and add my mayonnaise. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want into this salad. And just make sure that you mix it up well, guys. All right? What I'm going to also be adding into this salad is a little bit of granulated sugar. So if you haven't tried it as yet, I would ask you to go try it. Make sure you leave me a comment. All right? You're going to enjoy a perfect creamy salad. Yes, guys. So mix it well. And I know that your family is going to love every bit of it as much as I do. And be sure to place a plastic wrap over your dish and chill for about 2 to 3 hours before serving. And here you have a simple and delicious homemade tuna potato pasta salad, guys. So enjoy.